Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. We're looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. Some interesting price action here in the crypto sphere. Sadly, for an article today, couldn't find anything too crazy, and in a fear of the video getting flagged, we will refrain from discussing current mainstream world events and political going-ons in the traditional world of finance, but we do have continued bullish activity here in the crypto sphere with Goldman Sachs making its first over-the-counter crypto options trade facilitated by the entity Galaxy Digital. Be sure to stick around till the end to not miss any of what's going on here in the crypto sphere. Drop a like on the video if you like the video, and be sure to subscribe if you're new. Now, EngineeringRobo members already know Cardano, under the influence of the Super Buy, Buy 4, and Golden Cross, utilizing the Super Buy and Buy 4 throughout the end of July. 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors became bullish. Our investment into Cardano experienced 140% in upside, just about double and a half your money with EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions. And you were able to capitalize on 76% ROI with EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. The sell for and bearish cross in September of 2021 suggested you close your position, get out of Cardano, because as we can see, we proceeded to experience a ever so crippling 66% in downside, and we are still awaiting for bullish parameters to be met in search of the strongest area of support. So Cardano here, we have been patiently waiting for bullish parameters to return to allow for comfortable accumulation. We have instances of the buy 4 attempting to print throughout this downtrend. However, we need 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors bullish to begin accumulation accordingly. As you can see here with today's daily candle, this buy 4 is attempting to print, rather bullish here for us. However, we will need this daily candle to close to confirm this buy suggestion, and then we will need a second Robo advisor bullish to begin accumulation. We can put 50% of our investment into Cardano when 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors are confirmed bullish. We can put 20% of our investment into Cardano at support. So as you can see, we have found ourselves above this 84-cent level here. It would appear this has been, plaguing us for quite some time. We've interacted with it both as support and resistance over the last few weeks. In my opinion, I would not personally accumulate at this level, and I would like further solidification of this level to confirm it as support. At the moment, 84 cents will need further interaction based on my strategy for me to be comfortably bullish as a potential support level here. Currently, just a pivot point. In my opinion, the strongest area of support down below, if we do continue any sort of downside, is going to be the dreaded 34 cents waiting for us. That is going to be the strongest level of support. 84 cents is our kind of last line of defense here, in my opinion. Finding ourselves above that level is a tad more bullish than not, but as I mentioned, further solidification of support at this level may be necessary. Watch out for $1.05 along the way. Similar situation, a pivot point we will have to break and potentially confirm as support, but $1.31 is going to be the strongest horizontal level above. Significant resistance present at that level currently. Once daily candles are opening and closing above it, confirming it as support, I would then feel comfortable putting my 20% support-based investment at that level. That would also potentially correlate with daily candles opening and closing above my descending trend line here, coming from the 4th of September, interacting with the 9th of November swing high. Once daily candles are opening and closing above it, we can put that remaining 30% of our investment into Cardano. 50% when EngineeringRobo is confirmed bullish, 20% at support, and 30% when daily candles break the descending trend line. We always go with the flow of the confirmations, and watch out for EngineeringRobo. Let me know down below your thoughts on crypto and Cardano. American investment bank Goldman Sachs continues to expand its cryptocurrency trading expertise by executing its first ever over-the-counter crypto options trade. The transaction was in the form of a Bitcoin non-deliverable option, representing one of the first over-the-counter crypto transactions made by a major bank in the United States. The latest collaboration between Goldman Sachs and Galaxy Digital also represents a continuation of the bank's partnership with Galaxy to improve its crypto capabilities. Goldman Sachs also offers its clients exposure to the Ethereum cryptocurrency through Galaxy Digital's Ethereum Fund. Goldman Sachs is one of the biggest traditional financial institutions in the United States to be involved in the cryptocurrency industry. The financial giant is known for backing Circle, the blockchain technology firm operating the USDC coin, the second largest stablecoin by market capitalization. Last year, Goldman Sachs made a historic move into the crypto industry, launching its first trading service for Bitcoin derivatives and Ether derivatives. So, in my opinion, continued bullish activity here in the crypto sphere here. One of the largest, American investment banks getting involved in crypto. We've been seeing a lot of this lately here on the channel, whether it be direct Bitcoin accumulation, interest in Web3, the metaverse, NFTs. Blockchain technology has just been far too prominent among these multi-billion-dollar governing bodies and conglomerates in the traditional world of finance. But let me know down below your thoughts on this article. Find it in the description. Alrighty, Ethereum, under the influence of the Buy4, Moon, and Golden Cross Robo advisors. We have the Buy4 and Moon utilized throughout the end of July of 2021. Your investment into Ethereum experienced 80% in upside, and you were able to capitalize on 43% ROI utilizing the Sell 4 and HE double hockey stick bearish Robo advisor combination throughout the beginning of September. Investing into Ethereum, utilizing the Buy4 and Golden Cross this time throughout the beginning of October. Your investment into Ethereum experienced 36% in upside, and you were still able to capitalize on technically 13% ROI utilizing that same HE double hockey stick and Sell 4 combination in November of 2021. And you were saved from the dramatic correction that the whole crypto market proceeded to experience, taking profit when EngineeringRobo became bearish in November, saved you from 45% in downside over the following months as we look for the strongest level of support and awaited bullish parameters to return. So moving forward, after experiencing two very bullish interactions with my support level, where we were already able to put 20% of our investment into Ethereum all the way back in January. If you missed that level, we did all the way back in February. Funnily enough, on the 24th of February, correlating with the 24th of January. Hypothetically, metaphorically, we have suggested that on the 24th of March, we experience a third interaction with my support level, but that is growing increasingly unlikely. We always go with the flow of the confirmation. So we already put 20% at the support level. We put 30% when the 18th of March daily candle opened and closed above my descending trend line. And we are just awaiting for a second Robo advisor to become bullish here to slap that remaining 50% of our investment waiting to go into Ethereum. We need a second bullish Robo advisor present. Currently the Buy4. However, we would need that Moon or Golden Cross to come into play for us to allow for that 50% EngineeringRobo based investment ratio. If you missed out on $2,320 per Ethereum, the strongest level of resistance overhead is going to be $3,414 per Ethereum. Once daily candles open and close above it, confirming it as support, we can then put our 20% support-based investment ratio into Ethereum. That's whichever one comes first. Say we somehow magically flash crash down to my support level, which is unlikely. You can invest there, or when resistance at 34.14 becomes support. Let me know down below your thoughts on Ethereum though. Alrighty, we have Bitcoin now under the influence of the Buy4, Moon, and Golden Cross as well. Real quick recapping, utilizing the Buy4 and Moon throughout July of 2021, you experienced 49% in upside investing into Bitcoin with EngineeringRobo, and you capitalized on 26% ROI utilizing the infamous Sell 4 and HE double hockey stick combination. Utilizing the Buy4 and Moon yet again throughout October of 2021, you invested into Bitcoin, experienced 24% in upside, and you were still able to close your position in profit using that same combination of bearish robo advisors, and you were saved from the dramatic correction that we proceeded to experience. You were saved from 42% in downside if you chose to take profit at the $56,809 level all the way back in November of 2021. Now, we have that, double bullish interaction with my support level, the strongest level of support we were anticipating interaction with ever since bearish robo advisors here. We were unfazed by any of these instances where we all suspected a bottom forming because EngineeringRobo was bearish, and we were still waiting for my support level. After, two very bullish interactions with it, where we were able to put 20% of our investment in at, we are awaiting for daily candles to open and close above this descending trend line still, because we already put 50% when two of our chosen 3 robo advisors became bullish. So once daily candles open and close above the descending trend line, we can put that remaining 30% of our investment into Bitcoin, and we are watching out for a potential second bearish robo here, as would appear the death cross has been confirmed on the 14th of March, but we need a second bearish robo advisor to reduce our position accordingly. We are watching out for this $2,000 range between $42,000 and $40,000 per Bitcoin. Just a fun little zone we have visualized here that I do anticipate continued interaction with, and we can be more comfortably bullish on free-flowing upside here once we've confirmed ourselves out of this descending trend line and we've seen some significant interactions with the top of my range as support. Alrighty, we have the fear and FOMO zones here suggesting a potential top for Bitcoin near the $172,000 level. That is a level we have been anticipating interaction with technically ever since coming from the fear zone back in March of 2020. The FOMO zone is where we anticipate a potential market top occurring. We are far too close to the fear zone here, it would appear, and some very basic support strategies and perhaps the higher low, higher high strategy could suggest that we are far too close to a potential bottom, in my personal opinion. We've had a very strong, sideways throughout 2021, major exposure and adoption for the crypto sector. Now, throughout the beginning of 2022 here, during this correction, we have some very major players in the traditional world of finance getting involved in crypto, making it very difficult for me to personally be bearish. So I do anticipate a 6-figure Bitcoin. Watch out for extreme FOMO at that level. Someone has to buy the top. Hopefully not yourself, because you've been accumulating during the lows while the market is under extreme fear. In yesterday's video, we covered a previous interaction with the fear to FOMO zone ratios, where Bitcoin experienced 4,000% in upside. This time, we have an interaction from March of 2020. Bitcoin has experienced only 875% in upside, and to the FOMO zone would only be 2,380% in gains. And so, let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto. I do believe when the world is ready, we will experience a 6-figure Bitcoin, but not anytime sooner. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with the link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.